Unbox your display and lay out all of your components. Check to make sure that all hardware on the instruction sheet is accounted for. Step 1. Lay all 4 legs on their backs with the arms sticking upright. Secure the base to the legs using the 35mm deco bolts. Add the levelers onto the bottom of the display. Step 2. Secure the base shelf to the base using the 70mm deco bolts. Mount the base liner to the base using the 60mm deco bolts. Step 3. Mount the mid-shelf assemblies and the top shelf assembly using the 25mm deco bolts and cap nuts. Step 4. Secure the side panels to the base using the 50mm deco wood screws and wooden dowels. Secure the side panels to the shelf assemblies using the 40mm deco bolts. Step 5. Add the left hand and right hand header bracket to the header using the screws. Insert the 15mm deco bolts and mount the header to the side panels. Tighten these bolts after. Mount the top to the side panels using the 50mm deco wood screws and wooden dowels. Step 6. Mount the front graphic frame to the display using the 15mm deco bolts. Step 7. Mount the top header graphic onto the header using the pucks, spacers, studs, and foam spacer. Slide the front graphic into the front graphic frame. Step 8. Mount the cross braces to the back of the display using the 15mm deco bolts and